Welcome to 2026. Passive income isn't just a dream anymore, it's a mechanical certainty for those who know how to use it. In just 2 years, the world shifted. Today, we're exploring 5 sophisticated sources of AI cash flow that outpace inflation and build long-term wealth. From AI dividends to automated content hubs, these strategies are designed for the tech-forward investor who wants their capital to work 24/7. Stream number 1: AI-driven dividend growth. We are moving beyond simple stock picks into the era of AI dividend aristocrats. Companies powering the global AI infrastructure are generating record cash. By holding these assets, you become a silent partner in the intelligence revolution. The real power comes from the reinvestment feature. Automated systems roll your dividends back in, creating a compounding wealth machine that grows exponentially. Next up is stream number 2: AI real estate tokens. Forget physical buildings. The high-yield properties of 2026 are data centers. Through fractional ownership, you can own a piece of the hardware that processes global AI requests, earning rent in the form of computing fees. This is the digital age real estate. It's scalable, liquid, and requires zero maintenance from you as the landlord. Stream number 3: yield farming with AI bots. While the markets move, AI liquidity bots are working in the background to capture value. These bots provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, earning small transaction fees on every single trade made by others. By using AI to manage risk and move capital to the highest yield pools, you maintain safety while maximizing your daily returns. Now, let's talk about Stream 4 and 5, the silent assets. This is where AI, intellectual property, and SaaS come into play. AI IP licensing allows you to create unique algorithms or digital models once, and license them to companies forever, simultaneously. Automated AI content hubs generate wealth by providing value to niche audiences without you ever needing to hit publish manually. These are assets that earn while you sleep, creating royalty and subscription fees that accumulate into a significant monthly income. Finally, the conclusion: the 1% mindset. In 2026, the real winners aren't those who trade for quick profits. Wealth is what stays when you aren't working. Hold for cash flow, leverage the machines, and let AI build your legacy. The 2026 opportunity is here. If you're ready to start your journey into AI passive wealth, hit subscribe, and let's grow together.